My name is Haiz from the QJ and Haiz vlog. No guys, we reached 2,000 subscribers. Yay!
Congratulations!
Now we're gonna play slime because we're gonna vlogging. That's why we get this slime from mommy from Kuya. Because this is for the steer and this is for the. Let's open it. Mommy blue. Yuck, back the bleed. We're going to put the back the bleed. We're going to put. Let's follow the steps, okay? This is off the front. Yes. So let's see what's inside, guys. My brother opened it now. So we have the agitating. Yeah, open it. And also the collective. So we're doing this. And this is the steerer. So you can steer. Activator, color blue, and also the spoon to pick up all the ingredients. And so you can cut this unicorn sugar, and also this beads. Yeah, beads. I love beads. And look, I opened mine now. Unicorn sugar. So use it. Okay. Let's make it now. Okay. First step, pour some glue in a clean bowl. Okay. So we have the glue now. Mine is color purple. And then I love color purple. I know it's pink. Wow. I just want that kind. Let me squeeze it. Or you want to put the full one? Next, put the few drops. Okay, see the glue? Okay. I have to make 2 drops. Mommy, I have to make 2 drops. Why? Let's stir it out. I want to stir. Here's it. Yes. Wow. Oh my god. Woohoo. Agitate, 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 agitate. Later can make big bubbles. I think we can make big bubbles. And you can still see them, right? Wow. And you can still see them?
Yeah.
Guys, look. And it's getting that more squishy. I have to add my unicorn powder. We need this spoon to add unicorn powder. Can you open my unicorn powder? Enough? I want 2 spoons. Okay. Because I'm JC2. Mommy, I want to scoop because I'm JC2. I don't want that. Wow! It's getting smooth! Wow! Wow! It's coloring. Later we get so daddy. I want 3 scoops. Here you go, Mama. Let's go smell it. It smells like pineapple.
What about you, Ate?
Grape. Wow. Wrap or grape. Wrap or grape. Wrap grape. Daddy, look, we made it now. Look. Daddy, we made slime. That's all, guys. Bye-bye, guys. We're now playing with our slime. We mixed it all together at the list. We did it correct. And mine looks like baby food. Okay, we have joke. It's time to joke, guys. Yeah, guys. Guys, this is a book. Facebook. Nick. One more time. This is the I. This is a phone. iPhone. Nick. I have a joke too. Knock knock. Who's there? I'm cold. Cold too. It's cold outside. Let me in. Yeah. Look also, guys. Knock knock. Who's there? Cargo. Cargo who? Cargo. Boom boom. Nick. Can you read this, guys? Happy 2000K subscriber. Thank you, guys, for supporting QJ and Haiz vlog. Let's now eat. Yeah, we have our slime ingredients. Then let it go. Okay. Bye-bye.
Okay, let's take pictures. Say cheese.
I broke one. Let me broke it. Like glasses. Bye. Thank you for supporting us, guys. Happy 2000.